If you're a veteran or widow of a veteran and you may need help now or in the future paying for care, things like in-home care, assisted living, or memory care, there is a benefit that we work on called aid and attendance. Technically, it's called a non-service connected disability pension with an aid and attendance add-on, but who has time for all of that nonsense? We'll just call it aid and attendance. Well, one of the things that often challenges folks is that as they get older, they may want to downsize to a smaller house because they just don't need the upkeep or the size of their current house. Or quite often, people will sell their house and move into independent living, assisted living, or memory care. The problem with that is that under the VA rules, the VA doesn't count your home as an asset towards their asset cap. But once you sell your home and you turn it into cash, cash is always countable, and so that's where they get you. You sell your house to move into assisted living or memory care, and you sell it for, $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, whatever the case is. And then all of a sudden they go, oh, now you have all this extra money that we didn't count when it was in the form of your house. But because you sold your house, you now have too much in assets and you are not allowed to get this VA benefit. So my solution for that is something called a Veterans Asset Protection Trust, or a VAPT. The Veterans Asset Protection Trust allows us to move the home into that trust, then sell it from that trust. I don't care if you sell it the next day, it works. And I don't care if you sell it during your application process, because the VA challenged me on that. I appealed it and I whipped their ass. But I digress. So the point is, this strategy works. I have case law to back it up if they question it. And that allows you to sell your residential homestead for any amount of money. I don't care if it's a $5 million property. You can sell it. We preserve the money in the Veterans Asset Protection Trust. We have ways to get that money out of the trust if needed to help pay for your future care. And it does not screw up your chances of getting or keeping this VA benefit called aid and attendance. So if you are a veteran or widow of a veteran and you're thinking about going into some sort of a care facility and selling your house, talk to a qualified VA attorney or give us a call, because I am accredited directly through the VA. We do this benefit nationwide, and we can preserve your proceeds of your home and have them not counted as an available asset for the VA benefit. Thanks so much. Have a great day.